Why do so many traders make crypto harder than it needs to be? They add more indicators, they follow more influencers, they watch more time frames, they open more tabs, more charts, more alerts, and more opinions. And then they wonder why they feel confused. Sometimes the problem isn't that we need more information. Sometimes the problem is that we have too much. Hey everybody, Joel with the Crypto Code here. We help everyday people understand crypto through practical education, research, and proper risk management. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never risk money you can't afford to lose. All right, let's break this down. A lot of beginners think a complicated strategy must be more advanced, but that isn't always true. In many cases, a complicated strategy just gives us more ways to hesitate, overthink, or justify a bad decision. Simple does not mean easy. Simple means clear. A simple system tells us what we're looking for. It tells us what matters, and it tells us what to ignore. And in crypto, that's powerful, because the market is already noisy enough. Every day, there's a new headline. Every day, someone has a prediction. Every day, a coin is pumping, dumping, trending, or being declared dead. If we don't have a simple way to filter information, the market will pull us in every direction. So the question isn't how much can we track? The better question is, what do we actually need to make a better decision? For some people, that means focusing on the bigger trend. For others, it means watching Bitcoin first, before looking at altcoins. For others, it means studying a small list of assets instead of chasing everything. The point is, we need fewer inputs that actually matter. Because when everything matters, nothing matters. And that is when people freeze. They see one indicator saying bullish, one person saying bearish, one article saying recession, one chart saying breakout, one friend saying buy, and another person saying sell. That isn't a system. That's confusion. A good system should reduce confusion. It should make our decision-making cleaner, not more emotional. So here is a simple rule. If a strategy is so complicated that we can't explain it clearly, we probably can't follow it consistently. And if we can't follow it consistently, it won't help us when the market gets stressful, because stress exposes confusion. That's why simple systems matter. They give us structure when emotions get loud. They help us focus when the market gets messy. And they remind us that we don't need to catch every move to become better. We need to make better decisions over time. That is the goal. Not perfect decisions, better decisions. If you want a more structured way to approach crypto without getting overwhelmed, subscribe to the Crypto Code newsletter and get our free weekly trade plan. And comment below, do you think your crypto strategy is too simple or too complicated?